How are you? Oh wow, mushrooms are done. Mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms with cheese and olives and banana peppers. Stuffed with Havarti cheese, olives, and banana peppers. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. I can't wait to eat this mushroom. And let me show you next one we're gonna grab off the grill. Wow, I'll show you bottom, see not burnt. Amazing. Oh wow. This is George Foreman grill. Wow. These are huge mushrooms. Looking delicious. And we were cooking tuna steaks with. See, tuna steak next to it, but tuna is very fast cooking. Very fast cooking, so we're done with that. We already ate one each. Tuna steak. And that's it. We appreciate you for watching, and God bless you, and please keep watching our channel. We love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.